Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've seen some of my other videos, way back when COVID started, I built a high-low pulley system so I could do cable rows, bicep curls with a cable. Now, it's come to a point where I need to change that up, so I'm going to try to construct something new and compare the new system with the old system. I'll walk you through the old system real quick. So up top here you can see I have the cable system that I've put on a couple of my videos. I've also attached a pulley down here with a carabiner and a Home Depot pulley. It's not really doing it. Here's how I have it set up now. Again, the Home Depot pulley, and I've got this kind of at an angle. I don't really like this angle because it still grinds the pulley a little bit. Take a listen. That grinding is what made my last pulley fail. So what I'd like to do is bring the cable straight down and hook something up to my rack here so that I can just put it on and remove it when I want to. My plan is to cut a 2x4 about the width of my rack here and drill 2 holes in it, one on each side, so that I can use my J-hooks right here to slide it through the 2x4. And a 2x4 that is approximately 4 feet wide can sustain about 450 pounds, so I think I'm good. Now I've cut this 2x4 a little bit wider than my rack so I can drill holes without worrying about it. So I'll measure and drill holes on either end of this and see if it fits. Now I'm going to make some marks around this bottom hole right here so I can tell exactly where to line up my 2x4, so when I drill the holes, the hole will be in the center of the 2x4. Alright, I've made a couple marks so I know when I drill through this hole right here, I should be in the center of this 2x4. Horizontal mark and a vertical mark so I can line it up with this line that I put right here. Let's give it a shot. Line up the other side. Let's start drilling. Now I just want to drill a pilot hole so I can drill it a little bit more smoothly when I take it off. Now I will finish drilling through the 2x4 with a little bit wider bit. This is a 7/8 bit. Now through my power rack system, I did drill everything with a 3/4 inch bit, but I want a little bit of play because I don't think all the holes are exactly perfect. So I want to make sure that this can be flexible and put it at multiple different places on the rack. Well, we're in luck because it fits perfectly. Now, those of you who have seen my J-hook comparison video knows that I use a hitch pin for my J-hooks. They work wonderfully. All I do is take this sleeve off, line this up with a hole, slide it through, lock it on the back. Now that's solid. Now the next step is to attach a pulley right here so it will be in line with my pulley at the top. Now I found the center of my board right here, and this is where I will attach my pulley. The style of pulley that I'm using, I put in another video, but again, it's from a Weider set, and I'm just going to bolt this to my crossbar here using a lag bolt and this U-shaped piece. And I'll leave it a little loose so I can adjust it when I need to. Now I'll put the pulley on. I've got it all hooked up. I wanted to just show you how it's set up. The weight's down here, goes up to the pulley up top, and then comes down to my setup right here. So take a look and watch how it works. All right, here's the bottom part of the setup. I have about 70 pounds there. I'm gonna do cable rows. Feels pretty solid. Smooth. Very little movement. Works good. Thanks for watching.